What is that? It's a weird blob. You think? Does it need help? What are we supposed to do with it? Let's get to work. Let's do what we can do. Come on.
First things first, the cytoplasm pressure is at 15 psi, hence why it was brought in on a stretcher. Be careful. I'm a professional, I know what I'm doing. Sorta, when I'm dealing with humans, like I should be. Don't think like that. This is a patient all the same, and if we lose it, we are the professionals to blame. The patient's temperature's up, its size is increasing, and if you look from my angle, one of its sides is increasing. Hey! Wait a minute, it's moving more than usual. You, try to pump it with pharmaceuticals. Why aren't we being supervised? This is the strangest thing to... I mean... We don't even know what it is! And we have to operate on it? Where's the doctor? Oh, I'm getting really scared. I am the doctor! What have we here? A glove-like mass, fantastic. Its exterior is clear. Ooh, what are those little beanie babies moving? I think those are organs of a sort. They're all producing things and moving them to other organ bits. Saying we know what it is a phrase we can't truthfully commit to, at least right now. Well, pipe down, get your stomach out your coffer. Let's see what this odd large of my blob has to offer. My favorite shape is the rectangular prism. Thus, this is the world's largest single-celled organism. Are you serious? Just go with it. Status! What have you gathered from the specimen? It's growing considerably larger. Right now it's big as it's ever been. That's excellent. Yes, I should have known the diagnosis. The cell right here is going through mitosis. I see, now the S phase has arrived. Can you believe this guy? Quiet! The DNA is trying to multiply. Why would DNA need peace and quiet to divide? You're crazy. I mean, seriously. Does anyone understand what he's saying? Anyone? You mean it's replicating chromosomes that recently caused to create non-intuitive totals that the cell doesn't spoil, so when it splits in two holes, they'll be genetically whole. I say we probe the node and try to pop a lysosome. No! I mean, yes! Very good. The next step I remember, and I very well should, is prophase. Okay, who can monologue on that bit? How about you, deep voice brute? Oh shoot, please don't hurt me. I'm so scared of you. What does face consist of? Only little baby's feelings get soft when they hit loss. Sore loser, I could tell you'd take this pitfall. I know what the prophase is. See the little threads are spindle fiber microtubules. Their job's to grab the chromosome's fatal area as usual. Meanwhile, the chromatin condense to make 46 chromosomes. So there you have it. I'm not stupid. I know about how life goes on. And if you need it in other words, here you go. The chromatin collapses to create cute little sister. Chromatids linked together like siblings in a family picture. The housing of the molecules dissolves into the fixture. A spindle grabs the sister by the waist to make two daughters with her. Oh, now I get it. Daughter cells. And the waist was the centromere. Get it? Yeah? Yeah. 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 Guys! The centrioles are positioned at opposite ends of the cell. Each spindle chose a chromosome that's jumbled in the gel. Now the chromosomes are moving, bouncing in between the spooling, being pushed from the spindles towards the middle, repelled. Once they lie on the imaginary line that divides the cell into two sides, the microtubules decide where the separated chromatids will reside. After the brief ride to the centriole, anaphase is just on the horizon. Everybody back up! The cell needs room to stretch its lining. It's near doubling in size. The middle's beginning to forfeit volume. Now I think I see what contorts it. The chromosomes themselves are split. They're following the spindle strips to find themselves on different ends of the cell. The next phase is commencing. The housing for the chromosomes is rebuilding. The nuclear membrane and envelope are filling up the space around the chromosomes. Speaking of the gene carrying homeward tomes, they're melting down again. Taking a step off of the histones to detach back into chromatin. The cell is splitting. Oh, you can feel the tension. It's time to pay attention. But wait a minute. If the cell's about to split to create two daughters, then who's the father? These other doctors? And then I could share the custody. But why bother? This is prime time for a crime shocker. I'll stop her! Everyone look! This, my colleagues, is no time for leisure. It's a beautiful thing to watch, like a sunset into ether. Somebody better call FEMA. This is historic like Katrina. This set is about to split like Brangelina. Yes! Eureka! The cell is sitting into masses. The membrane collapsed upon the middle. Fantastic! The organelles have moved too. They're equally distributed to make both these little beauties healthy specimens of live goo. Oh, bloody hell. Right,
Yes!
right, good. Fine. That's over. Finally. That was stress. Fantastic work, everyone.
What?